Today's lesson is the second lesson in topic 16, perimeter of common shapes. What we're going to do today, we will find the perimeter of some shapes like rectangle and square, as you can see in these questions, question number 3 and question number 4. To start, my heroes, please open your books page. Tell me, my heroes, what page is this?
Page 854. 854.
Yes, thank you, Amir. This is page 854. Okay, my heroes. Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali. Saleh. Ziad. Okay, Ziad, please read for us.
Okay. This one full shape is a rectangle. What is the perimeter of each pool?
Okay, I'm sorry, Ziad, but we didn't follow you, so please read again. Okay, thank you, Ziad. As you can see, my heroes, here we have rectangle. This one is rectangle. And the other one here, the other design is a square. And what we need to do, we need to find the perimeter of each one of these two. But before we start, I want to discuss with you the main properties of the shapes. What is the difference between these two designs, rectangle and square?
Me, can I answer?
Yes, Amir, what is the difference between the rectangle and square?
Teacher, the square, it's all the same number. Like it's down 9.
Great.
And up
So
9,
this is also 9 here, and here 9, and here also 9.
Yes.
Okay.
But the rectangle, each one like up and down the same number.
Great. So this is 10. So up here we will write 10.
We also 10. And
Great.
6 here and the another.
And 6 here. It makes this to be also 6 meters. Okay. So each two opposite sides are equal, but not all of them the same number. They are different, and each two opposite sides are equal. Thank you, Amir. Great work. Okay, so my heroes, again, the main difference here is that for the square, all sides are equal in length. So all of the sides have the same length, 9 meters. But for the rectangle, we have 2 dimensions. One of them, we call it length. This one, we call it length. And the other one, we call it width. So we have for rectangle, we have two dimensions. One of them is length and the other is width. Riyad, Osama, you are using your mic.
I am sorry, teacher.
Okay, my hero. So, my heroes, this is the main difference. Now, let's think of the parameter. What is the meaning of parameter? Can anyone tell me what do we mean by this word, parameter?
Me and
Okay, but I want someone else this time. Anyone else? What's the meaning of parameter?
what?
Okay. Okay, go ahead, Amir.
The perimeter is not the inside of the shape.
Great. So it's what?
It's not the inside of the shape.
Okay, not
So
inside, but what should we find?
on the top. No, not inside.
Okay, thank you, Amir. So it's not inside, my heroes. It's around the figure, around the shape.
Yeah.
So here for this rectangle, for example, we need to add 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6. Why? Because we need to go around the shape and add the side lengths. And the same for the square. We will add 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9.
Teacher, can I open my microphone? I want to say something.
Okay, what do you want to say?
We can do also multiply 9 each of the square. Each number is the same. So 9 multiplied by 4 is 36.
Great, this is good idea. If we are repeating the same number 4 times, so what about multiplying the number by 4? Okay, let's go ahead and see down here how we can do this. Yes, no, Hussein, I didn't. Okay, so let's start with the rectangle. And here, as we said, each two opposite sides are the same. If this is 6, so the other one on the left also is 6. And in the top here and down, we have the same number, 10 meters. Okay, when we go ahead and add these numbers, we will find 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6. And we can add them to find the parameter, which is 32. But if we need to be more smart and use multiplication, because we can see here, we are repeating the 10. So we can multiply 10 by 2. And also we are multiplying the 6. So let's multiply the 6 by 2. Then add the answers. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 2 is 20. And 6 times 2 is 12. So we need to add 20 plus 12. And we will get the same number, which is 32. Okay, so for the rectangle, my heroes, again, we call this one length. I will use the letter L for length. And I will use the letter W for width. So this is length, L for length. And W here for width. So I can write the same here. If we need to find the parameter, I write it here. Parameter equals I will multiply the length by 2 and the width by 2. Then I will add the result of these two multiplications. So I will add the products, add this one and this one. Okay, before we continue to the square, please, my heroes, write this note. Write what you have here on the screen. Go ahead. Okay, is there anyone writing yet?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, quickly, my heroes. Okay, now let's move to the square. For the square, my heroes, we have only one number because they are all equal. So the difference between the rectangle and the square is that the square is the same like with the rectangle in everything, but with an extra property, which is for the square, length equals width. The two of them, they are equal. The two dimensions are equal. So as you can see here, it's 9 and 9 also. So in this case, we can just write that the parameter is, we can add them, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, or multiply 9 by 4. So we can say that we need to multiply the length by 4. And focus here, we don't have width. For the square, we don't have width because the length and the width are the same. Okay, my heroes, please write the note quickly. Now we'll move to the next page. Is there anyone writing?
I will send it in the chat.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, let's move now to the next page. And here we have another example for something. This one. This is a triangle. This is triangle. 3 sides, so it's triangle. And this one, we have the same number again.
No, but I said you. I want to answer.
This is not a question.
Send the question I want to answer.
Inshallah. Okay, so my heroes, this is a triangle and the 3 sides have the same length, and we call this triangle equilateral triangle. You have the name in your book. Underline this name or circle the name. This is important name. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. My heroes, try to say it. Equilateral. Equilateral. Use your mics.
Equilateral.
Equilateral. Yes, equilateral triangle. Okay. So, what is the meaning of equilateral triangle? Put a line here and underline this also. Underline here. Put line under these words. The equilateral triangle, it's a triangle that has three sides with the same lengths. So the three sides are the same. In this case, if we need to find its perimeter, so simply we need to add 4 plus 4 plus 4, or multiply. How many 4s do we have?
3.
Okay, I want someone to tell me if I call this L for length. So what is the parameter? What is the rule? Yes, Hazem? Mm-hmm. Excellent. Great. So we need to multiply by 3. So we will multiply L by 3. Whatever the number for L, we will multiply it by 3. Okay, you need to write this note also. Okay, now let's move down. Is there anyone writing the note yet?
I was simply yes.
Okay, quickly, my heroes.
Yeah, I will send the chat.
Thank you, Ziad. Okay, now let's move down. Adam?
Yes, Mr. I am Adam.
Okay, question number 1, Adam. Read it for us.
Okay. How can you use multiplication and addition to find the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 6 feet and width of 4 feet?
So, here we have length equals 6 feet. And the width, it's equal to 4 feet. Okay, what is the rule for the perimeter of rectangle? Do you remember? On the previous page, the note in the previous page, the page before this one, for the rectangle. Okay, we said that we multiply the length by 2 and multiply the width by 2. So let's do it. So we will multiply the length by 2 and the width by 2. Let's go back to say it and come here again. Okay, that's what we did here in part B. So let's do it here also.
6 multiplied by 2 equals 12, and 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8.
Okay, so just a second. Okay, so we will multiply 6 by 2 and 4 by 2. And we need to add the products. So we will put this one in brackets and put this one in brackets, and between them put plus. Okay, let's do it. You said 6 times 2 equals?
12.
And 4 times 2 equals?
8.
Okay, so the final answer, 12 plus 8 equals?
12 plus 8 after the 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So 20, and the unit is
It's
no. The unit here is feet,
feet.
like the question.
1 feet.
Okay,
20 feet.
yes, so the answer is 20 feet. Thank you, my hero. Okay, let's move to the next one. رضا الشقاقيق. رضا الشقاقيق. Okay. حسن. حسن.
Yes.
Okay, Hassan, go ahead. In the next question, explain how you can use the parameter, how you can find the parameter of a square
Easy.
with side
Said
length.
all the sides of a square is equal. So you multiply 7 by 4 and that equals 28.
Excellent. So we will write that the parameter equals 7 times 4 or 4 times 7, it's okay. And it's 28. What unit should we use?
We should use centimeters.
Excellent, centimeters. Okay, thank you, Hassan. Great work, my hero. So my heroes, for this one, we have here the length. The length is the side length equals 7 centimeter, and we will multiply it by 4 because the 4 sides are equal in length. So we are repeating the 7 4 times. And now let's move to the next one. Sahmi.
Yes, teacher, I am here.
Go ahead.
Question number 3.
Yes.
4 plus 4.
Mm-hmm.
8 plus 8 are 16.
Okay, so you can do it using using multiplication also, right?
24 the answer.
Yes. So what you said is 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8, right? That's what you said. And you said that these two gives 8.
Right, 4 and down right 4 and here right.
Great. So you want me to write here 4 feet and here 8 feet. Okay, and 8 plus 8 you said 16. So the final answer is
24.
24. And the unit?
I don't know.
The unit means what unit are we using here? Centimeters, inches, feet. Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. And my heroes, we have another way to solve this question. You can solve it by multiplying 4 by 2 plus 8 times 2.
Thank you. Need me now?
Of course. What do you want to do?
I want answer for answer number 4.
No, thank you. I will choose another hero. Thank you, Sahmi. Great work. Okay, my heroes, you can use this also. This is another solution. You'll get the same. Here we'll get 8 and 16 here. So you will get 24 feet. It's the same answer. So this one is correct and this one is also correct. Okay, any problems with question number 3? Okay, let's move to the next one. I will not erase. Haydar? Mic's off, my heroes. Muhammad, your mic. Ghafli. Muhammad al-Ghafli, check your mic. Haydar, go ahead.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, wait. Muhammad is using the mic. Muhammad Al-Ghafli, mute your mic. Okay, go ahead. Haidar. This is a square.
Mister?
Yes, Haidar, go ahead. You see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, question number 4.
Question 4.
Mm-hmm.
Guess 5
Mm-hmm.
multiply 4
Great. So 5 multiplied by 4. Mm-hmm.
equal 20
And the unit?
centimeter.
Excellent, Haidar. Thank you, my hero.
You're welcome, Mister.
Okay, my heroes, do you have any questions or any problems?
Yes, me, I'm Sahmi.
Yes, Sahmi.
I don't finish.
Oh, okay. I will wait for you.
I have a problem.
What is your problem, Sahmi?
Teacher, this was
Question.
answer number 4. Question number 4.
Mm-hmm.
We have 5 times 5 equal
Oh, why 5 times 5? My hero. You should use this one. This one is correct. Or you should use this one. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And you will get also 20 centimeters. It's also correct. Oh, so it's correct. Not 5 times 5. This is not area. This is perimeter. You're welcome. Okay, now my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game. Now let's start solving. Please everyone focus on my screen. And the first question, Ibrahim.
I see green.
Ibrahim, what is your answer for this question?
Yes,
What is your answer?
12 plus 12 equals 24.
24, yes.
And 5 plus 5 equals 2.
So,
So, answer is
34. 34 centimeters or 34 inches?
centimeter.
Thank you, my hero. Great work. Muammal? Muammal?
I am here.
Go ahead.
What is the perimeter of this
Polygon. Okay, this is a square, of course. What is the perimeter here?
7?
Yes, the side length is 7. So the perimeter equals? Again? 28 feet. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Okay, let's move to the next one. And Osama? Osama? Al-Hassan? Al-Hassan? Go ahead, Al-Hassan.
6 feet and 8. What is the perimeter of the rectangle?
What is your answer?
48 square feet.
So you will multiply 6 times 4.
No.
If you multiply, this is area. But here we need to find perimeter, not area. So 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8. Okay, so it will be 28 and 28, not square feet. 28 feet. Okay, try with me, my hero, this question. The next one. This is a square with side length 2 centimeters. Khalid, mute your mic.
8. What is the
Yes, yes.
of the square? It's 8 centimeters.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Thank you, Al Hassan. And now, my heroes, this is equilateral triangle. And Muhammad Al Ali. Rida Sultan. Okay, Hamza. Hamza.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is the perimeter here of this equilateral triangle?
Perimeter is 16 days.
16 days.
No.
Yards?
Yeah.
Why? You will multiply 6 by what? How many 6s do you have?
6. 6 by 3.
So 6 times 3 is not 16, my hero, it's 18.
This is 12. 18.
You need to check the table. Okay, thank you, Hamza. My heroes, do you have any problems, any questions? Okay, thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow, and goodbye.